Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make delicious chicken burgers using an easy method. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need 1 pound of ground chicken, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. For flavor, grab 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of olive oil ready for cooking. These basic items are all you need to begin this tasty journey. Now let's get our hands a little messy and craft those perfect patties. In a large bowl, combine your ground chicken, the egg, breadcrumbs, and all the seasonings we just discussed. Mix everything gently until it's just combined. Be careful not to overwork the meat, as this can make your burgers tough. Once mixed, divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and form them into patties, each about 3/4 of an inch thick. It's time to cook these beauties. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place your chicken patties into the pan. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked all the way through. For food safety, always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This guarantees a safe and delicious meal. Your amazing chicken burgers are ready. Now for the best part, serving them up. Place your hot, juicy chicken burgers on toasted buns. Pile on fresh toppings like crisp lettuce and ripe tomato. Don't forget your favorite condiments, whether it's classic mayonnaise, tangy mustard, or a unique special sauce. For a complete meal, pair them with some delicious sweet potato fries or a refreshing garden salad. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.